Hey friend, struggling with damaged or corrupted storage? We'll help you recover files. Today we'll provide tips, tricks, and your ultimate file recovery solution. Stick around and let's dive in. First, let's understand why devices get damaged or corrupted. Physical harm, logical issues, defects, power failures, or human errors are the usual suspects. Armed with that knowledge, let's get to the solution. Avoid working with a partially accessible drive. It might cause irreversible data loss. Instead, remove the corrupted drive and use another computer to repair. Check for physical damage. If present, software might not help, but it's worth a shot. Now let's recover files with the trusted Disk Internals Uneraser. Download and install the free trial at www.diskinternals.com/uneraser. Launch Uneraser and click the Wizard button. Choose the corrupted drive and click Next. Select the file types you want to recover. Click Next again and wait for the results. Preview your files to ensure they're intact. Finally, recover and save them in a secure location. Avoid data loss with these tips. 1. Regularly backup data. 2. Keep antivirus up to date. 3. Carefully handle devices. 4. Eject safely before disconnecting. 5. Opt for quality storage devices. And that's it. You've mastered recovering files with Disk Internals Uneraser. Did this help you? Share your stories in the comments. Also, please let us know what you'd like us to cover in our next videos. Like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.